So welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a banner on YouTube channel. I will show you how to do it. So you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So this what you need to do is log in on your channel. Next you click on the customize channel. Yes, here and now you click on the branding, and as you can see here you have option banner image, and you click on this, change, and now you choose picture which you need. And as you can see, for the best results use an image that at least 2516 pixels. Okay, and is available on all devices. Okay, and you later click on the done, and you have a new banner, and later on publish, and you did it. So that's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe for help. Bye bye, and see you next time. Thanks.